Hello friends, Namaste. Today we will learn chapter number 6 for class 10th. The name is Lines and Angles, exercise 6.1, question number 1. So let's begin with the question number 1. So lines AB and CD intersect at O. If angle AOC plus angle BOE is equals to 70 degree, BOD equal to 40 degree, find angle BOE and reflex angle COE. So lines AB, this is line our AB, and line CD, this is our line CD. They intersect at point O. And the sum of angle AOC, this angle, and the sum of angle BOE equal to 70. So AOC and BOC is equals to 70 degree. Let's call it angle 1. Let's call it angle 2. So sum of angle 1 plus 2 is equal to 70 degree, that is given. So this is been provided. And BOD, this is angle over 40 degree. 40, let's call this angle 3. Right? So find angle BOE. So we have to find this angle BOE, and we have to find angle reflex angle CO. We have reflex angle COE, reflex of angle COE, that is this whole part. I think you understand the question. So as we proceed in this question, so we can basically see there is a two intersecting lines. One is AB and CD, and the intersecting lines makes vertically opposite angles. So with this, our angle AOC will be equal to angle BOD. So that means angle AOC will also becomes angle 40 degree. So angle 3 and angle 1 are equal. Angle 1 is equal to angle 3 because it is vertically opposite angles, because the angle formed by the intersecting lines, that is called vertically opposite angles, and they are equal. And you have been given the question that angle AOC and angle BO is 70 degree. That is our AOC, that is 40. That is we have recently just now figured out the value of this angle. So angle 1 and angle 2 is equal to 70 degrees. So angle AOC is 40 degree. Then angle BOE will be equal to 30 degree. Right? So we have to find angle BOE. So how do we find angle BOE? So I found angle BOE, that is equal to 30 degrees. So now my task is to find angle COE. So we can find angle COE by alternative approaches. So first approach could be, if this angle is 40 and this angle is 40, so by the linear pair I can find this angle, right, this remaining angle, and that will be equal to 100 degree. Why? Because in linear pairs, this line make a linear pair, and this is 40. If this is 40, then it will be equal to 140. It will be equal to 140 degree. So the reflex of angle CO is 40 plus 140, that is 180, and that is 40 again. Then 220, and that is 30, that is 250. Right? This is one approach of solving this question, finding reflex angle COE. And there is another approach. And what is the another approach? If you look at the another approaches, instead of finding this, you find this angle, and out of 360 you subtract your angle COE, you get your reflex angle. So let's see how we will present this in the exam center, in the exams. So we know ABCD are straight lines, and OAOB are OA is opposite to OB, O is opposite to OB, OC is opposite to OD. So we get vertically opposite angles, and that is angle 40 degree. AOC BO is equal to 70 degree. If AOC is and angle AOC is equal to 40 degree, then BO is equal to 30 degree. So we know that. And if BOE is equal to, so we get that is equal to angle 140 degree. Angle BOD. If we find COB and BOD, let's see. COB, COB and BOD. So if this is 40, then this will be equal to 140, and you have found out this is 30, so it will be 110. So you can find the reflex angle remaining 360 minus 110, that is 250. This is one way of doing it. So we have deducted 30 that we have given. So I get my 110 as the value, right, of angle COE. So once I know the angle COE, so reflex angle will be subtract 110 from the 360. So I get the reflex angle COE. I hope